literally just draw hairs. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Victoria, and today I'm coming at you with camera 1, camera 2, an eyebrow video. These were $8.99 at Walgreens right now, and they were buy one get one half off, and I needed it really bad. I don't know, I think I've used both colors before. I just don't remember. I always find myself buying these CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Microfine and Define eyebrow pencils, and like I said, they were buy one get one half off. I wanted to buy two, and then I was like, no, I should just buy it on my Ulta thing for double the points, because you get 2 times the points during your birthday month. Oh my goodness, Ulta was having like a giveaway on these points. I literally got like $175 in Ulta credit by just buying a few things, and so I like went on like this huge shopping haul with my $175 gift card that Ulta gave me. So I used it all in 2 purchases. So I got the L'Oreal eyebrow pencil. It's not going to come until August 30th, and right now I need it for my eyebrows because I ran out. So the higher the number, the lighter in the CoverGirl Micro Brow. But this 705 is the rich brown. I can already tell it's this one, and we're just gonna do the light brown one first. Is that mascara on top? But anyways, I'm just gonna show you that I use it for my brows, but I also use it for my hairline. So let me see, let me just swatch it right here for you guys so you can see how it is. Soft brown. Let's see how that one is. It's like powder. This one's a little bit red. Which one should I put in my hair? I think rich brown, just like the name of it. So yeah, I just literally just draw hairs. I did also, that's why I mentioned that Ulta gift card thing, because I literally bought some hair powder, I guess. I don't know, I've always had this Widow Peak too. What made me like really want to get it is not because I see like every freaking YouTuber just fill in their hairline, so it made me want to get it too, fill in my hairline. And so yeah, what a difference I think it makes. You literally can draw on baby hair too. Edges, my bad, I don't know why we calling it baby hair, girl. It's just like it stays on too, and it looks so natural. And also yeah, that's why I got it, because this I have so yeah, as I was saying, that's why I got it too, because this line, my bad, you're upside down now.